How to make TikTok video of 60 seconds. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your TikTok application. Then tap on the plus icon. After that, simply select 60 seconds right over here. Make sure you will have to have the latest version of TikTok in order to make 60 seconds video or up to 10 minutes as well. Previously, you could only make videos up to 15 seconds, but the latest version allows you to make videos up to 10 minutes. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.